All right, tonight's dinner is a white chicken enchiladas. All right, so first I'm gonna go ahead and cook my chicken. So I have chosen to do that in the Instant Pot with some chicken broth. All right, so now I'm gonna add 1 cup of chicken broth to my frozen chicken breast that I have already placed in my Instant Pot. And then I'm gonna set it for 15 minutes with a 10-minute natural release. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and grease my 9x13 dish here with some butter. Okay, the chicken is done and I have shredded it up with my KitchenAid mixer and then added in 1 cup of the Monterey-Jack Cheese. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add the shredded chicken to the tortillas and roll them up and place them in my 9x13 dish. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and make the white sauce that you pour over the tortillas. I'll start by melting 3 tablespoons of butter, and then next I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of flour, and I'll cook it for about a minute or so while I whisk it. And next I'm going to add in my 2 cups of chicken broth. I just used the rest of the can that I opened and then what was used to cook my chicken, so no waste. Then I'll whisk it on medium heat until it becomes thick and bubbly. Alright, now I'm adding 1 cup of sour cream and the diced green chilies. And we just want these 2 ingredients to warm. We don't want to burn them, so I just turned my burner off and stirred them really well until they were incorporated. All right, now I'm gonna take that sauce that I made and pour it directly over the chicken tortillas. Then I'm going to top it with the rest of that Monterey-Jack cheese that I had earlier, and I'm gonna let it cook in the oven on 350 degrees for 22 minutes. And I did go ahead and turn my broiler on for about 2 to 3 minutes to brown the top, and it came out perfect. This is one of Jeff's favorite meals. That white sauce is so delicious.
Yes, you can. Kitchen Mama.